Everyone loves being out on the water, but not everyone can own a boat. At Freedom Boat Club, our goal is to get everybody on the water. So Freedom Boat Club is a private membership club. We offer our members unlimited access to a fleet of boats at a lower price tag with less hassle than owning a single boat. You reserve the boat you'd like for the day you want, ready to go when you show up to the dock to take it out. Our members expect the highest levels of customer service and quality, and it's very important for us to provide that.
So when a member comes to Freedom Boat Club, one of the biggest reasons is that they expect a very well-maintained boat, because at the end of the day, that's why they join. They don't want to have to take care of it. Before we had Fleetio, our maintenance process was extremely manual. A moment that we knew we needed a better system, we were in the shop looking at a bunch of boats that just got taken out of fleet. So while we were looking at this fleet of boats that just needed to be repaired, we didn't really know where to start, while we also had another 100 boats waiting in the water for us.
I had to manually write down and note and log every issue on every single boat single-handedly. We would show up to a location and literally we would have 4 issues that were more important and they were priority to the one that we were going to fix. Now that we have our inspection process, we are able to have the dock staff do it so that we can come prepared and ready to fix whatever needs to be repaired.
The shop team gets it in real time as soon as we send the photos and all the maintenance history with it. And this is all done remotely. So we're not texting or calling the shop team anymore to say that there's a down boat. So with Fleetio, we are now able to see that this boat needs a bilge pump, this boat needs an oil change, this boat needs a cushion repair, and this boat's fuel cost is way up.
We have 4 locations, 6 technicians servicing over 120 boats. I would not be able to keep up with any of the maintenance that we have at this level without Fleetio. I'd like to say that we're right around 95% on-time maintenance.
It's helping us on a preventative maintenance side. We're able to see that items happen 3 or 4 times on a particular model and plan in advance for this happening on other models. It allows us to order parts, it allows us to track inventory, provide full service records for the buyers of our boats. Today, from the life of the boat to the disposition of the boat, we've got maintenance records from A to Z.
Basically, a better us is a better customer experience. So this is less boat downtime, making sure that we can get more members out on the water, knowing what to expect in the days ahead.
Oh, it's a no-brainer. I mean, Fleetio is single-handedly one of the biggest benefits in the last couple of years that we've implemented.
I would say get rid of that spreadsheet and start using Fleetio.